That's Mike from Custom Cruises. You can see here, these are beautiful Ford controls we just fitted to this Rocket 3. I've got to admit, they ain't cheap, but my God, I've never seen quality like this before. Bolt on in the same place as the originals, completely new bracket, way stronger than the original tubular thing. Adjustable linkages, okay, all this adjustable, greasable, and just amazing quality, absolutely amazing. I can actually see why these things are over £1,000 a set, but the quality speaks for itself. Reuses all the original crash bars. There's no messing around changing all that. As you can see on this side, again, unrivaled quality, full TUV approval as well. Mount on all the original mounts. Works with the original crash bars. So if you're interested in an absolutely mega quality set of Fords for a Rocket 3, give us a call. This is also adjustable. You can have the footrest here, this mid position, greasable as I say. These will all be done up when the rider's sat on it. We've adjusted all the linkages, and you can have them here as well when you come with all the 3 different length linkage rods. So these, you'll actually get 3 rods with each set. So you can have it here, here or here, which, let's be honest, no one else does that. So if you're interested in Mega Rocket 3 parts, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruises.com. Thank you.